Good morning, traders. I took one trade this morning right around 4 a.m. It was with Ctxr. I have it on video. We're going to go over it right now. If you enjoy these live trade recaps, hit the like button. If you want to see them every day, hit subscribe. I upload my trades every single day, win or lose, and I always tell you why I took them, what went right, what went wrong, all that good stuff. So here I've got the Webull top gainers list open, organized by volume. It's the pre-market top gainers. I look for the top 3 stocks, and ideally they're below 100 million share float size. Ctxr fit that criteria, and it was number 1. JMP also fit that criteria, but it never gave an entry. So here's JMP. It broke through its previous session high and then pulled back, but the pullback was extremely low. It went below point A in the ABCD pattern, and that tells me I can't take a trade. Whereas Ctxr ran right up through its previous session high, and now I'm just waiting for a pullback on that. My entry is always the break of the of a 1 minute candle. So whenever a 1 minute candle makes a new high after a new high of the session, if that makes sense. So here's the new high. Now I'm looking for the pullback, and I'm waiting for a 1 minute candle to make a new high within that pullback. Once I see that, then I hit my buy button. So it's coming up right here. This candle that had a high of 184. So I'm looking for this bubble here to show me 185 or better, and then I get in. So let's watch this in real time, because I want you to get a feel. There, you saw me. I almost pulled the trigger on the buy button there prematurely, because it was only at 184, but it looked like it was going to bounce, and I was trying to be ready. I didn't want to get any slippage. So, and now I moved everything over here so that my eyes can look at the candles and that price all at once. There's 185. You saw how quickly I hit my buy button. It looks like in this case it wouldn't have made much difference, because the price did not jump up immediately once it broke that high. So you never know when that's going to happen. But I'm happy that I got exactly the entry that I wanted, which is 185. And then my stop loss is based on the low of the previous candle that I entered on, which is this one here. See, I'm just trying to get to where I hovered over it. Right there. Whoops, missed it. But yeah, so you can see the low of that candle is 179, so my stop loss is 178. And that difference between my entry, 185 and 178, that's 1R. 2 times that amount is 2R. Well, minus 1R, and then 2 times that amount, we'll say, is the 2R profit target, so 199. So I want you to watch how the price action moves and think about what you would do in this trade. Would you be able to hold even though this thing's coming down on you? Because, months ago, this would have really scared me. And I'm not saying I wasn't worried that this trade might fail, but my plan now doesn't let me do anything when I see the price going against me like this. I just have to sit and wait, and there's only 2 possible outcomes. Either it comes down and hits my stop and I stop out, or it goes to my profit target and I get filled. So my only job once I'm in the trade is to just watch the price action and wait for one of these lines to get hit. Only then can I really do anything. It doesn't matter what I think these candlesticks are telling me. It's not up to me to decide whether or not the pattern's going to work, because that's what I used to try to do, and I rarely ended the month green doing that. problem is once you see some weakness in the price action, you're going to think, oh, this trade's not going to work, and you're going to start scaling out and leaving a lot of money on the table. And if you do that enough, you're not going to have enough profit to make up for when you have losses. And that's why you're going to end the month red. Of course, the easiest trade is when you get in and the price just runs up in 1 or 2 candles and hits your target, but that doesn't always happen, and that doesn't mean that it's not going to hit your target. And I have over 3 months of data now saying that it's better to just wait, let the trade play out, and one way or the other, either stop out at 1R, minus 1R, or take my profit at 2R. Just remember, you can lose more than half your trades and still be green at the end of the month if you're doing this 2R all or nothing trading. So here I'm at 198. The price is at 198 right now. My target's 199. Again, months ago, I would have pulled this order down and tried to get filled, saying that, oh, it's only 1 cent away. That's close enough. But before you know it, by the time you pull it down, it moves down like another cent or two, and you've left 3 or 4 cents per share on the table. So there you go. I get filled at 199, exactly where I wanted to, and that's it. The trade is over. So the only thing, so now I am back green on the week, even after I took a huge loss yesterday, lost 3 trades in a row, and did everything that my plan and my strategy said to do. So it wasn't a matter of me not trading properly. It just so happened that all 3 trades failed, even though they were good setups, which does happen, and that's why you want to take your stop losses. In fact, those stocks ended up selling off the rest of the morning and the rest of the day. So if I would not have taken my stop loss, I would have taken a much, much bigger hit, probably enough to make me red on the month right now. So the other thing that I have to decide before March is whether or not I want to continue taking 3 trades per day, which you can see the results of that. My second trade is costing me a lot of money. The third trade is only making a fraction of what I'm making on the first trade. So it's looking so far like I should only take the first trade, and win or lose, leave it at that. The idea behind the 3 trades was that if my first trade loses, that maybe the second one will win. If not, the third one will win. If the first 2 lost and the third one wins, then that third one can make up for the 2 losses. But it doesn't look like that's working out that well. So that's the one thing I have to decide before next month. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions about this trade or my plan or any other things that you see me do on this channel, let me know. And I just want to say that no matter what, always honor your stop loss, take your stop loss, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. All right, see you in the next video. Take care.